Alright, tubers, did an oil change on it. Have it inside. See, had just enough left in my bottle. See, just enough. I'm using 1033. I think fully synthetic. It's Castrol. Let me go look at it. It's in the backyard. Ow, Jesus. Using Castrol 1030. I don't know if it's fully synthetic or not. I guess it is. But yeah, I'm using this. Break it in. I've been using Castrol on all my engines. Using high mileage on my lawnmower. Real good with it. Let me show you guys the oil. My new baby chick. New addition to the family. What's the matter? It's Bard Rock. About a month old she is. Here we go with the oil. Here we are. All nice and glittery from the break-in. See all the metal shavings everywhere. See it? Alkali and all the other lubricants that it had in it. Big glitter paste. And it smells terrible. It smells like engine. I mean, manufacturing lubricant, that's all it smells like. It doesn't even smell like the Castrol, I know. See it? So it's pretty much guaranteed it's broken in. So I put more oil in it, and I'll get this uploaded and show you guys how it runs afterwards.